Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. I thank you so much for joining me today. For today's video, I want to do a fall tablescape for you or a Thanksgiving tablescape, whichever one you would like to use it for. I'm going to use it definitely for my Thanksgiving dinner. Okay, so all links to the materials will be in the description below. They are affiliate links, and you can purchase the items with no extra cost to you, and that is another way you can support my channel. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I would like to show you how I make this fan, how I fan the napkins. So you just take a napkin, and then you just kind of just fold it like you would a fan. So you go folding it like this. Then once you're done folding it, you take it in the middle and then fold it in half. Like that. And then you take your napkin ring and slide it through. And I will show you a close-up of this, how it looks on the charger. So that's what I'm gonna do for my napkins. So this is the design I came up with today. I feel like it's kind of basic. I welcome your input. Maybe I could have put some leaves on the table. I did try to put my leaf garland on there, but it was just like it didn't really go. So just let me know what you think of this tablescape that I created today. Please like, please share, please subscribe to my channel. I thank you so much for joining me today. Until I see you next time, bye.